Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, October 2023, variant 53 and question number 6. And topic is a permutation combination. So, Jay and his wife, Kaz, are having a party, and Jay and have invited 5 friends, and each friend will bring his wife. Okay. So it means 2 husband, wife, and 5 friends, 5 plus 5 to the 10. So it means total there are 12 people total. Okay, in which husband and wife and plus 10 friends. I mean, 5 friends plus their wife. Okay, 5, 10. We can say 5 couples. We can say, although this couple even, but we can say the guest, 2 guests. Sorry, two. Okay, and 10 guests are there, and plus 2 are invitees. Okay, inviters. Okay, come back. At the beginning of the party, the 12 people will stand in line for the photograph. Okay. And whenever we talk about the standard lines, we talk about the permutation. Reason, if let's say I give example, if J in the beginning and cars later or cars before J is later, so they are dealing as a different. So when you change the place and you feel a difference, it's called a permutation. Order is important. Order is important and permutation. And the word arrangement also mentioned there. Okay. And he said that 12 people, if J stand next to K cars, okay, and each friend stand next to his wife. So let's start. How we can do it? So students, what I do this way. Maybe you feel easy in this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and 5 lines means 5 friends and plus 1 husband wife. Okay, so it means this is a you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 couples. 6 couples, or 6 come for 6 couples. Okay, okay, for example, I give you an idea, because let's talk about this J and this K, because husband and wife. Okay, so here other husband and wife. So how to arrange these two? So 2p2, how to arrange them? Because it possible, two possibility, J before K later or K before J later. So it means, so these two people, these two can arrange 2p2. So this is 2p2, this is 2p2. So what about this one? One husband, husband number one has wife number one. Okay, they can also should arrange then 2 orders. So it means 2p2. So this also same situation. So 2p2. So what about this? Again 2p2. So 2p2 and 2p2. So how many 2p2s we have? 6. And you know very well 2 into 2 into 2, because 2p2 is actually 2. Okay, and 2 into 2 into 2. So fix 6 times. So you must write 2 to power 6. So or you write like this, or you write 2p2 to power 6. Same, they are same meaning. So 2p2 to power 6. I hope so you got it, why I have arranged this way. So husband, wife, and okay, I think point is very clear. And if we check it in calculator, so it turns to be 46080. And I believe this point is very clear. So I have done AI part. And let's go for A part with A2 part. How many different arrangements are there? 12 people, in which J and K occupy the 2 middle positions. Okay, 2 middle positions in the line, and the J 5 friends on one side and 5 wives on the other side. Okay, but he did not mention that they are which sides. Okay, well, so we have a different planning. So have a look here, students, what I can do here. So I deal like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I think I have to make a plan like this. Okay, so this is a very clear. So I think point is very clear. So now thing is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so first of all, let's say J is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, this is extra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So have a look here how we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a middle egg here. Okay. So I can tell you here, this is a J and this is a K. Okay. So let's say these are husbands. Okay. I just write the word HUS, husbands. And these are wives. Let's say, okay. I give the example. So, so, but we have a, look at it. H for husband, J, K, and wife. But it possible JK is fixed in the middle and wife come beginning and husband go later. And same thing happen with the other options as well. What is the other option? If JK change the places, it means K before J later, K before J later, husband before wife's later, or wife before husband later. So it means we have a two and two, four options total we have. So this is a 5P5. I can write it here 5P5, and there's also 5P5 into 5P5, and this is coming from here 2P2, or into 2 for this and into 2 from this one. Or short story, we have a 4 options, okay? 2 twos are 4. So I believe the point is very clear. And five, this we can write in factorial format as well. So no problem at all. And 4. And finally, the answer is turned to be 57600. So I believe the point is very, very clear. And let's go for part B. Okay, so this is done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is over. So let's talk about the last part. Okay, what the last part is saying, we have to focus on last part now. For a competition during a party, the 12 people are divided into a group of 5 and a group of 4 and a group of 3. Before I start, I just read it later on. What is the thing he's talking about? So when we have to discuss 12 people divide in a, for example, I give an idea. So this is a table. 5 people can sit around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a table. 4 people can sit around it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a table. 3 people can sit around it here. So when the 12 people enter from this room, from this and this corner, so 12 out of 12 people, 5 can sit around it. This is called 12C5. Okay, when 5 people are there, arranged, okay, so fixed, I mean, they sat there. So first, out of 12, 5 gone, 7 left. So 7 out of 7, 4 people will sit here. So 7C4, and out of 7, 4 gone, so 3 left. So this is a 3P3. So 3C3. So this is the total options we have. Okay, without any restrictions. So this answer, if you check it now in calculator, so it is turned to be 27720. But now read the statement carefully. He's saying that same situation, you have to fix it, but J and K are same group in each other. Like whenever they will go on this table, they will sit there together. This table, they will sit together. Okay, and this way they will sit together. I think you got a point very clear. So how to find that option? Okay, so let's say, for example, these 5 places available. So these two, this is one part is clear. So 2 husband and wife, 2C2, they reserve these 2 seats for them. So now 3 seats left behind for the 10 people. So I'm writing here 10C3. So I mean, out of 10 people, 3 people will sit here. Okay, done. So now 5 gone, 5 people gone. So how many left? Out of 10, out of 12, 5 gone. So 7 left. So 7 people are available in 4 places are there. So 7C4 and then 3C3. So this is option number 1 if they sit on the table number 1. If the, let's say they sit here. Okay. Now let's talk about option number 2 if the husband, wife not. So they sit here, for example. Okay, so I'm writing in the middle 2C2, husband, wife come here. So 2 places left for this table. And how many people out of 12? 2 gone and 10 left. So C2. I think you people understanding how I put a box so you people can understand for this table. Okay, now 2 plus 2, 4 gone. Out of 12, 4 gone, 8 left. So for 8 people, come here and 5 chairs available for them. Now out of 8, 5 gone, 3 left. And 3 people will sit around this 3 places. I think the point is clear. And third scenario we have, if same happen, those husband, wife, not sit here, not here, they sit here. So these 2 places, they sit here. Let's see what happens. So 2C2, 1 seat left behind for the 10 people. 10C1. Okay, this I put in a box. And now 3 people gone. So out of 12, 3 gone, 9 left. So here I started 9C4, 9C5, sorry, 9C5, and 4 left. So 4 places, 4 people. And 4C4, 4C4. Okay, if I check it, this answer, for your knowledge, 3C3 is 1. I will not type in calculator. 2C1 is 1. I will not type in calculator. I will type in calculator only these 2 numbers and number 1. And 3C3 is 1. I will not type 2C2. I will not type. I will type only and only these 2 numbers in calculator. The same approach, 2C2 is 1, 4C4 is 1. So I will not type in calculator. I will type this and this. And all 3 situations, I will add them. So I will add the top one, then add this one, then add this one. And final answer, I'm getting here 7980. So what is the probability we're looking for? 7980 divided by total 27720. So and finally, answer is turned to be 19/66. So I believe you people understood well, and the question is completely over. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, the question is done.